Hey bugs, it's Christmas Eve and I'm Santa's little helper. Festive enough for you? At any rate, I'm coming to you guys with another unboxing because yes, I overindulge myself when it comes to my products. But I did find this little candy melts mold. I think it's like daisies or something. I'll use it for something for soap. But I got this from Walmart. $4 I think. So it's not bad. Wilton. Check them out. I get a lot of stuff from Wish and Walmart, the Dollar Tree. You'd be surprised. Hobby Lobby. Everything doesn't have to be a $20 mold. But I also have this ginormous box. I know you can't see it, but I bought a few more items because I started running out too from Wholesale Supplies Plus. So, let's see what we got besides bubble paper. I love this stuff. Peanuts, not so much. Bubble paper, that's my jam. So, there's just a few things that a few things that I needed. This is heavy. Oh, like this glycerin. It's 10 pounds. Jeez Louise. It's a heavy sucker right there. What else do we get? Oh, I got some pupuasu butter. So I'm going to be making some different things with that. They had a sale, so I wanted to try it. Puma butter. So we're going to try those as well. Or that. I got some more SLSA because I was almost running out of all those bubble bombs. Some stearic acid. I just got the little small bag this time. I think I got 2 of those. And more citric acid. Some Bubble Up. What else do I have in here? And some more KOH. So some potassium hydroxide flakes for more projects, experiments with some liquid soap. So that's my Christmas Eve, you guys. Hope you like my lights. Hope you like my hat and you're enjoying your time with your family and your friends. And until next time, I bid you adieu. But as always, be well and stay blessed. And bye for now.